right. Well, we asked this question earlier. Who got the final rose? Joel Brodsky is on the Super Celebrity Hotline. Drew Peterson, this whole thing is so weird. What a weird week it was, Joel. Because, here you are. You're a lawyer for ever and ever and ever for Drew Peterson. And then all of a sudden another guy pops up, and we talked to his
out of nowhere
co-counsel earlier this week and said, Drew Peterson wants us because this Brodsky screwed up the case. We don't want him. He's out. And Drew's got the whole new thing, and that's what we're going to do, and we're going. And then there was a court case today, and they brought Drew in for this, right?
Right.
Okay, so Drew comes into the courtroom in Will County, and you got you and your lawyers, and then they've got this new guy and his lawyers, and they basically say, this is the final rose ceremony. Who would you like, who are you going with, and what did Drew say?
He was going with me.
Was he ever in contact with these people?
Well, I mean, he did contact them briefly because Carol, being an ex-cop, he wanted to ask them questions about cop pension issues, but never, ever did he, and Drew said this, he never authorized them to get involved in the Savio homicide case, never. And he basically, the judge asked him flat out, are they authorized to do anything or file anything in your case? And Drew flat out said no. So he judged.
Did the judge ask any more about the stuff that's been in the press? Or his claim? I think it was even in his filing. His claim that he said that no, I feel like a traitor to Joel, but I got to go with you.
No, he did nothing like that. He asked Drew flat out, who do you want to go with? Who's your lawyers? And he said Joel Brodsky. I mean, he asked Drew, did you see this pleading? He goes, not before it was filed. I saw it afterwards. And he goes, did you read it? Yes, I read it. And what lawyer do you want to go with? I want to go with Joel Brodsky. I mean, that was it. I mean, Carol and Paul Carroll and Michelle Gonzalez have been kicked to the curb.
Are they still going to represent him on the other issue?
No, they're gone now. Drew can't trust. Drew. In fact, I was just talking to him. He said, they went rogue. Once. How can I ever trust them? They're.
Well, did you ask for a pushback? We got about 20 seconds left here. Did you ask for a pushback of sentencing?
Well, yeah, that's going to, because we needed more time because of all the confusion that these bottom feeders caused.
Well, Joel, I can tell that you're taking this in stride. Did you thump your chest and say, "How you like me now, bitch?" when you got this ruling, or?
Boom!
Well, I mean, that's what they were. I mean, Carol, I got Drew would send me copies of the letters that Carol would been sending him for years, saying, "Oh, let me in. I can do this. I can do that. I got this. I got that experience." I mean, he's been obsessed with trying to get in this case for years.
All right.
And he tried this opening, but Drew went with the guys that he trusts and that he thinks are the best lawyers. And Carol and John Carroll and Michelle Gonzalez have been kicked to the curb where I think they belong, and and that's the end of that. Their history.
That's the end of that. All right, thank you, Joel. Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you soon. Oh boy! Wow.